Very good morning to all of you. It gives me great, immense pleasure in inviting all of you for this NMR National Workshop at our Central Instrumentation Facility, Pondicherry University. Most of you know very well about Central Instrumentation Facility, which provides various analytical and spectroscopic methods for the students to analyze their samples and carry out their research successfully. CIF was established long back, and now we have nearly 27 sophisticated equipments worth of more than 40 crores rupees. Recently we added XPS and FT-IR spectrometers. In addition to that, recently we updated our NMR spectroscopy with a new console. Our university is supported financially to purchase all these equipments. Really, we want to thank the university, Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Finance Officer and all administrative officers. With this, I welcome our Vice Chancellor, Professor K. Tarnikarasu, and also our School Dean, Professor K. Anbalagan. And also I would like to welcome the resource persons, Professor R. Venkatesan and Professor Binay Krishna Saha and Professor S. Sabaya. And also I would like to welcome Air Science Department, Head of the Department, Professor Srinivasamurthy, and also the Chemistry Department HOD, Professor Balamanimaran, and Head of the Departments of various other departments of our university, and faculty members of other departments, and also my own colleagues. I also welcome all the participants to attend this NMR workshop. I am sure that end of the day you will be enriched with a lot of scientific elements related to NMR spectroscopy. We all know the application of NMR spectroscopy. In this particular workshop, first we would like to address the physical concepts of NMR spectroscopy, and then followed by application to organic compounds, and then followed by application to inorganic compounds. So we are in the tight schedule. We do not have much time to explain everything about the NMR spectroscopy, but still we'll try to give you the maximum knowledge about the spectroscopy technique to all the participants. I also take this time to thank all the CIF members who are with us to organize this workshop in a successful manner. With this, again, I welcome one and all for this workshop. I request all the participants to follow the instructions that will be given to you soon after this session in order to effectively utilize this one day. Okay, so I also request all the participants to be available throughout the session. Please don't go out. This is the great opportunity for you to gain a knowledge about NMR spectroscopy technique. Again, I welcome one and all, and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, distinguished scientists, participants, Central Instrumentation, this facility, arranged this workshop on nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. This workshop is highly useful for all the students and research purpose. One can understand what exactly all the compounds can be identified. In India, actually, the government, and as far as the performance, the scientific activity, as per the report, it has become a third part in India. Not only that, they are supplying and approving our activities. So I'm happy that all the participants involved in this. Nuclei, all the nuclei have spins. This nuclei can be electrically charged. From basic energy level to high energy level, this can be updated in presence of magnetic field. This is related to radio waves, finally gives nuclear magnetic resonance spectrum. In fact, this was identified in the year 1945 by Howard and Stanford physicists. Therefore, not only understanding this one application is also very, very important. I am extremely thankful and welcome all the participants and sit in this lecture period. First lecture is theoretical, another is for organic compounds applications, third is inorganic compound applications. Highly useful, not only understanding this subject, further research improvement can be done very positively. So wish you all a success. Thank you very much.
Respected Dean Professor K. Anbalagan, School of Physical, Chemical and Applied Sciences, CIF Coordinator Professor C. Sivasankar, and Center Head also, he is the Center Head of CIF, and Head of the Department Professor Chemistry Professor Balamani Maran, and Dean of Green Energy Professor Subramania is also here, and all the faculty members of chemistry and Dr. Raghupati from CIF, and all the delegates, students from other institutions. Good morning everyone. So it is already allotted only very short time for the inauguration, so I don't want to take much of the time, but I will give you only two set of information. One is for our internal members, another for the outside members. For the outside, that is for especially for the students. So based on the NEP 2020, so it is mostly covers about the skill. So without skill, so you cannot survive like this. There are many things happening, and also to develop the skill. After the developing the skill, so how to start the business or how to start the startup, all those things also it is very much interested and very much giving importance to the based on the NEP and then government policies. So in that way, this type of workshops will be very useful for the students and faculty members inside our university. So we have applied for the fund for the additional instruments. So recently, based on our FC and EC, so we have proposed almost 99 crores for the different infrastructure for the university. Among this, more than 84 crores for the CIF we have proposed. So I kept it very surprised for the CIF, but I thought I will discuss with you today. So most of the instruments we have proposed from various departments, we have written to the Ministry of Education. It is on the process. Other than that, we have also applied roughly 54 crores through FA. So it is also in the process. So if it really comes, it will take time, because ministry, there are many process, many committees it has to cross. So I look, it is really bright for the instruments for our CIF as well as for the scientific community. So with this information, I thank the CIF for organizing this NMR workshop, and also thank the resource persons, the invited talks invited talk speakers, Dr. R. Venkatesan, Dr. Binay Krishna Saha, Dr. S. Sabia, and the CIF technical officer, who are going to give a demonstration and hands-on practice. So thank you for inviting me. Thank you one and all.
So very good morning to one and all present here. It's my honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks in this event. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor K. Tarnikarasu sir, for always supporting us and encouraging us. Whenever we approach for this type of event, sir will immediately say yes and approve. Sir, thank you, sir. And our Vice Chancellor, sir, is taking many initiatives for the development of our university. Sir, your true effort will reflect in getting NAC accreditation and NIRF ranking. Soon we will be there in NIRF ranking, sir. Once again, on behalf of NMR2024 team and CIF family, I thank you, sir. I extend my sincere gratitude to our Dean, Professor K. Anbalagan. Last but not least, I thank all the participants from different parts of our country and colleges and universities